Permitted for a non-Muslim to witness a will which a Muslim will leave behind him?
Yes.
Okay.
Why not? Because the Holy Quran mentions that if you are on a journey, then collect some of the witnesses from there. How is it possible that a man is on journey anywhere in the world today and must find a Muslim to witness, while the time of his death will not wait for that moment? So evidently that verse covers the whole situation arising in the whole world. In ordinary life, the Muslims do the same in all the non-Muslim countries. They have their deeds signed by votary publics, the votary public, who are most often non-Muslims. So if for their personal matters they accept this, why not for their wasiyat, which is also their personal matter? Will is just not a religious responsibility, it is the personal right of every person to will to bequeath his property to those whom he wants to inherit them.